Join us for the 8th annual Sounds of Celebration, a global concert of social cohesion, starring internationally acclaimed performers and musicians from around the world. From Grammy winners to award-winning artists, this is one concert you don't want to miss. Book your tickets today and watch this very special concert from anywhere in the world. Available for on-demand viewing for up to 7 days after the official premiere. Hosted by David Bloch in Johannesburg and Leila Kardan in Dubai. Sunday, 23rd of May, 5 p.m. Central African Time. Tickets at only 85 Rand. Go to educationafrica.org or hereaticket.co.za. Sounds of Celebration 8, proudly brought to you by Education Africa in partnership with the Sydenham School of Johannesburg, South Africa.